guys? In today's video we have the Traxxas Bigfoot. Now, funny story with this truck, this is the first Traxxas truck I ever got. I love this truck. I've had it for over 2 years now, I think. I'm not sure, I kind of lost count. It is so much fun. It is a great truck. It is super durable. I have had many times of fun with this thing. But real quick, let's just talk about this real quick. This is it's the Traxxas Bigfoot. Yes, it goes 30 miles per hour. It comes with a battery and charger. It comes with the XL5 electronic speed controller with a Titan 12-turn 550 motor, and you got your radio system. Bunch of specifications on the box, but I'm not gonna bore you with all that today. I'm gonna get straight to the video. Alright, so in traditional fashion, we're gonna blow this thing up. Oh gosh. And here it is, guys. Here is the Traxxas Bigfoot. I love this truck. This is such a good truck, but I'm not going to talk about that anymore. I'll talk about that later in the video of what I think. I'll give that at the end of the video, so if you want to hear that, fast forward to the end of the video, but I encourage you to watch the whole video. So let's show you what we have inside of it. So this is a clip body mounting, but I think now if you get it, it's clipless. You got your XL5 speed controller. You got your Titan 12-turn motor. You got your Traxxas servo. You got your big Traxxas Bigfoot tires. They're pretty cool. This is the size of my hand, guys. So this truck, it's really big. I mean, it's about $250. It's a great price for this truck, and it's perfect. All right, I'm not gonna bore you anymore with this thing. Let's go out and blow this thing up. So guys, my honest opinions on this truck is I love this truck. This was the first Traxxas truck I ever got. I have a lot of fun memories with it. As you can see, it's slowly wearing out. The body's cracking. This entire thing is broken off. It's breaking down in pieces. I need to get a new shell soon, but they're very expensive. But anyway, I love this truck. I think the speed they put inside of it, the Titan 12 and the XL5, is the perfect amount of speed. This truck is not too bad. It's about $240, which really isn't that badly priced, because this is a pretty big truck, guys. It's a pretty good size. Now, 3 upgrades I'm going to suggest you do. Okay, number 1, upgrade your battery that it comes with from the nickel motor hydrate battery to a Traxxas 2S LiPo. These you're going to get about 5 to 10 minutes of run time, and it's going to take you like 4 hours to charge this on the charger. Go up to your local hobby shop. I use Extreme Hobbies in Roanoke, but anyhow, go to your local hobby shop, get you a good charger, and get a 2S LiPo from Traxxas. They're much better. They'll give you about 30 to 45 minutes of run time. They're super good. They're only about $100 and the day. So you need to drop about $150 in total to get some better batteries and stuff, but it is 100% worth it. Okay, grade number 2. You need to get aluminum, I don't know what you call them, but you need to get these. They're the steering blocks. I don't know exactly what you call them, but because these things break all the time on my Slash, so I bought these aluminum ones. The only thing you do need to do also is you need to put a little Loctite inside of them, keep them good. The other thing I would suggest for 3rd upgrade, when you're at your hobby shop, pick up a wheelie bar, because this bumper wants to drag when it's popping wheelies, and you can see it, the paint is like chipped off and it's not that great anymore, and that's what I think ripped this thing. So just go pick up like a $15 little wheelie bar. It is totally worth it. Super easy. 3 screws and it's already in. It's adjustable. You can go high, you can go low. It's super fun. So those are my thoughts on this truck. I would totally suggest, if you're just getting into it, RCs, go out and buy this from Traxxas. This is the Traxxas Bigfoot, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to please subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell notification to know when I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy these videos, guys. And remember, once I get to 2,000 subscribers and I get in the YouTube partnership program, I'm gonna buy an X-Max, guys. So let's hit that goal. Tell your friends about my channel. Do anything. Try to get this channel out there. Alright, I'll see you all in the next video.